from above. He's the all-time undisputed, undefeated champion of love. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? I want to introduce to you, in this corner of the good and the right, stands the champion robed in white. His height exceeds the heavens, his weight outweighs the world. His reach reaches everywhere, his age is evermore. He's higher than the highest, greater than the great. No one could ever take his crown away. He's more mighty than the mightiest, he reigns from above. He's the all-time undisputed, undefeated champion of love. He left his hometown to enter this arena, to raise his hand in victory for me. An angry crowd crucified this king who wore the crown, and gladly watched the champion going down. But I will never count